October 31st. Happy Halloween. I think there's a pond in there somewhere. Basically, I swept all this off with a broom. It's really heavy, wet snow. Because it is Halloween. Well, it did stop for a while, but now it's starting to snow again. October 31st, 2019. Northern Illinois, where we have shorter summers and winter starts before Halloween. How does that work, by the way? I remember when I was a kid, we used to have thunderstorms sometimes on Halloween. We never had snowstorms. See, it looks like we probably got about, right now about 5, I would say 5 inches, something like that. Yeah, it's really starting to come down again now. When I get all the snow off everything, it's going to get covered up again. Yeah, wind's kicking up too, as you can see. Other than that, it's a beautiful day. Damn. All right, have a good Halloween.